With this style and the dyed hair, it reminds me of that skunk from Over the Hedge. I can also pass as that kid from The Kids Next Door. My hair is gonna stay like this the whole entire video because I think it's very funny. Did the eraser on your pencil run out? All you have to do is sharpen it. Tired of your plain boring mouth mask? Create your own, because all you need is a stapler, 2 rubber bands, and a roll of paper towels. Take one sheet, fold it like this, and alternate afterwards. Keep going until you've reached the bottom. Take your stapler and staple one end of the sheet. And then staple the other side. Your very own DIY mouth mask. You can also create your own cool design. Oh my god, it looks so good. Designable and disposable. Are you an idiot and wrote on a whiteboard with a permanent marker? Write over it with a dry erase marker. And erase it afterwards. Also make sure you get the leftover marks. Do you want to flip over to the other side of the bed while you're charging your phone? Because all you need is an extension cord. Plug it in, and now happily move to the other side with the extended charging cable. Do you want to show your cool aesthetic home screen? Yeah. Because all you have to do is move every app to the next slide. Does your shoe smell bad? All you have to do is stuff them with tea bags. Are you cutting onions and trying your best not to cry? All you need is to chew gum.